The power of thanks, one habit that rewires your brain. In 2019, researchers at UC Berkeley asked 300 students to write one email, just one. Half wrote about their morning routine. The other half wrote a short email of thanks to someone who had helped them. 1 month later, the students who wrote the thank you email reported 23% lower stress, slept 30 minutes longer each night, and here's the crazy part, their hearts were literally healthier. Their heart rate variability improved by 18%. 2 words, thank you, not a platitude, a performance-enhancing drug, free and legal. But here's what's weird. We know we should be grateful. We know it feels good, but most of us are terrible at it. We say thanks like we're returning a tennis ball, fast, automatic, and forgettable. Or worse, we don't say it at all. Why? Because our brains are wired for problems, not appreciation. It's called the negativity bias. 1 rude comment erases 5 compliments. 1 problem screams louder than 10 things going right. So if we don't train gratitude, it starves, and that's exactly when we need it most. Let's go inside your skull. When you say a genuine thank you, 2 things happen. First, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the same chemicals you get from winning money or eating chocolate. But here's the kicker. Those chemicals don't just feel good, they activate your brain's reward learning pathway. Meaning, the more you say thanks, the easier it becomes to feel happy. It's a muscle. Second, your hypothalamus, the part that controls stress, sleep, and appetite, calms down. Cortisol drops. Your body literally shifts from defense mode to growth mode. Gratitude isn't fluff, it's biology. The godfather of gratitude research is Dr. Robert Emmons. He ran a now famous study. 3 groups. Group 1 wrote 5 things they were grateful for each week. Group 2 wrote 5 daily hassles. Group 3 wrote neutral events. After 10 weeks, the gratitude group exercised 33% more, reported 25% fewer physical symptoms, and here's the stat that gets me. They were 40% more likely to help a stranger. Not because they tried to be nice, because gratitude rewires your default setting from what's missing to what's here. You don't just feel better. Here's the landmine. Most thanks is useless. Thanks for the coffee. Appreciate it. Thanks in a text. That's noise. Real power comes from 3 ingredients. 1. Specificity. Name exactly what they did. 2. Impact. Tell them the result of their action. 3. Emotion. Share how it made you feel. Example. When you stayed late to help me with that presentation, specific. We actually landed the client. Impact. And I felt like I wasn't drowning for the first time all week. Emotion. That person will remember that moment for years. Generic thanks is a transaction. Specific thanks is a connection. And here's the hidden superpower. Thanks isn't just for the receiver. It's a broadcast signal. When you thank someone publicly, in a meeting, at dinner, in a letter, everyone who witnesses it feels safer, more valued, and more likely to help others. Psychologists call it elevation. It's that warm, lifting feeling you get when you see real human goodness. 1 genuine thank you can change the emotional temperature of an entire room. You're not just being polite, you're being a leader. So here's your challenge. And it takes 30 seconds. Every night before you close your eyes, ask yourself 1 question. Who deserves a specific thanks today? Not a generic good day. Not I'm grateful for my health. A person, an action, an impact. Mentally write the 3-part thank you. Specific, impact, emotion. Then, and this is critical, either tell them tomorrow or write it down. That 30 seconds bridges the gap between feeling grateful and being grateful. You have watched a 10-minute video. In that time, roughly 15 people around the world took their last breath, and roughly 75 babies took their first. In between those 2 statistics is everything. The coffee, the traffic, the stress, the small moments of kindness we step over every day. Thank you doesn't change the past. It changes the future. It tells the people around you, I see you, you matter. And that is the most powerful thing one human can say to another. So here's my ask. After this video ends, don't like it first. Pause. Send 1 specific, detailed thank you to someone who will never expect it. then come back and hit like. Because the algorithm loves gratitude too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now go thank someone.